My name is Jensen Casey, and I am owner of Baby O&I Consulting, a sleep consulting business. And I'm so excited to bring you the Zenimal today. So I recently learned about this at a conference that I went to, and I was so excited to get my own and to share it with all of you because it is going to be such a game changer for those older children, those preschoolers, those even probably kindergartners going into grade school that have a little bit of trouble falling asleep. So there are always those children that just need that extra wind down time, whether it be during the bedtime routine, whether it be they're just laying in bed and having a really hard time falling asleep. The Zenimal is going to be a game changer for them and for you. So it really just helps kind of take that silence out of the room and be able to focus on something so that they can easily drift off into sleep. So this is the actual Zenimal itself. It is a turtle shape and it comes in, I believe, a couple of different colors. This is like a blue-green color that I got. And it has all of these icons on the front that correspond with ones in the back. So there's restoration, awareness, empathy, gratitude, sleep, relaxation, inspiration, breath, and stillness. So it also comes with these cards. So let me see if I can also show you the cards. So the stillness goes to, it's a clay, a storybook clay. I'm not entirely sure. But the breath goes to resting in the stars. So it has what the kind of feeling that you want to feel is. And then it has a story that goes with it. So sleep is the sleep fairy. Gratitude is called the sleepy cloud. And it tells you how long each story is as well. And that's going to be important in a second, because often I don't recommend having something that your child is going to fall asleep to that they are no longer going to have if they wake up in the night. But these stories, you can, if this is plugged in, you can run this all night. If you don't plug it in, then it automatically shuts off after an hour. But I haven't found that children that are using the Zenimal in particular and are falling asleep to it are then having trouble when they're waking up at night. It's really just a tool for those children that are sleeping through the night, maybe not having, multiple wake ups, but just to help them relax and really ground themselves to be able to fall asleep. I know as adults, I'm sure you can relate to this as well, that sometimes when you're just laying there in complete silence, it's really hard to turn your own brain off to be able to fall asleep. So a product like the Zenimal is really going to take that out of it. So you have something to focus on, to relax, to work on your breath and stillness and gratitude and empathy. I love that there's different categories because that's going to be really helpful. Say your child, maybe you've been feeling like they're not really super grateful lately, then you can put on the grateful card, which is called Sleepy Cloud. Maybe they had a conflict with a peer at school or at daycare, then you can put on the empathy one. So you can tailor it to the situation, or you can just pick the one specifically that your child may really be drawn to. So in the packaging, it comes with the actual Zenimal, and the top is it comes off very easily. It's just a silicone top. So it comes off very easily so that you can put in new cards. So there are a couple of different cards that are offered. There are a couple of ones for children. I believe there is one in Spanish, and then there is a mama card, which I'm so excited to get. Those moments of self-care, you can bring your Zenimal, run a bath, just lay down, relax. So it's really, as amazing as it is for children, it can also be a really great tool for self-care for you as well. So in the packaging, and this is where the actual turtle sits. But if you take this top piece off, this top one is the guide. Oh, I'm backwards. The guide. And then the bottom here, it has the power cord. So it's just a USB cable. So it should be pretty easy for you to be able to plug in, in your child's room, or if you're doing quiet time or something like that, then they can do it in another area of the house as well. So I'm just going to put this back on. Again, anyone that has those restless children, those children that are really anxious at night, maybe if they're expressing fear about something, or there's kind of those children that what if this happens? What if that happens? What if this happens? And they're just, their brain is going and going. This is going to be the most helpful tool for you to be able to you can put it on, comfort them, put this on, walk out, and they'll be able to work on that mindfulness and that stillness a little bit on their own. So if you have any questions about the Zenimal or want more details on how to get one yourself, I'm going to pop that below in the comments. But after watching this, head on over to my Instagram to make sure you follow me so you can see us using our Zenimal in action. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.